Yes, once again, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and to some of you, good night. Fellow Biafrans, lovers of freedom, men and women of goodwill, conscientious people wherever you are all over the world. This is Radio Biafra Extra for the avoidance of doubt, a very live broadcast on this very fateful day, the 10th of the month of July, the year of Chukwu Kika Abiama 2019. Radio Biafra Extra streaming live through Radio Biafra London, being anchored by the Deputy Leader of the Indigenous People of Biafra, Mazi Uche Okafor Mefo. He is from Abatete. Abatete is in Anambra, and Anambra State is Biafra land. He's the man who have assured us that he will not allow the heart of this project to see corruption. You may not hear his voice constantly, you may not see him regularly, but the truth remains that he simply said the heart of this project will not see corruption. It doesn't matter who is involved. He's standing in a deputizing capacity on behalf of our supreme leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, the Prince of Afari-Beku, the only man that commands the loyalty of the Biafran people. What God requires from us is absolute loyalty, total commitment. Of course, you can push the hand of God to do certain things, and then we call it permissive will. Permissive will is not perfect will. Permissive obedience or compliance is not. Total is what is required. Only one man commands the loyalty of the Biafran people across the globe, and that is Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. He is from Afari-Beku. Afari-Beku is in Umuahia. Umuahia is in Abia State, and Abia State is Biafra land. I am George Unibe. I am from Abo. Abo is in Delta State, and Delta State is Biafra land. I will say it is a privilege and one of the greatest honor of my life that I find myself in a place like this. Without wasting much of our time, we must acknowledge the Almighty Creator, because without Him, we are all nothing. Nobody, no kingdom, no power, nobody. Of course, God is patient. He's a father, he's a loving God, and what attribute can we not give to him? Because in the end, even those who challenge God, even those who try to show that they are everything that they are not, they were born one day and they will die one day. The amazing thing there is that the more you grow older and think you are having more sense, the more he reduces you till you become a baby. Go to your, how do they call the home made for elderly people? Go there. You see some of the people who were once captain of industry, some of the people who once ruled nation, they are looking for one black man to wear them pampers. According to our sermon, are we not going to say God is so wonderful? Is God not wonderful? That is why, no matter what happens, nobody can take his place in our life. I must first of all also apologize for coming late. Just one or two technical issues. But then we must move ahead to acknowledge him. Chukwu Kika Abiama. Chukwu Kika Abiama. Anyị na-aja gị mma o. Ịmakwa n'eziokwu n'ịmara mma ịhụnanya anyị na gị obiọma gị o juru anya daji o inwe gị mgbanwe ọ dị onye dịka gị ịbụ Alpha na Omega. Anyị niile na-asị na ịdị mma o. Without wasting much of our time, we'll move ahead to our topic this morning, which is simply, we must be vigilant. Biafrans must remain vigilant. If you do not know what is going on, you will only be misled. Some time ago, our leader made a broadcast. He said, most of you are saying, let's do something, let's do something, let's do something. If we do something now, at this stage, the first thing I know is that Nigeria don't even need AK-47. Did Gowon not tell you? He simply say, if he know what he know today, that war, Nigerian Biafran war, they would not have even hired any country across the globe to come and kill us. That all they need to do is to distribute money. And the moment they distribute money, that is the end of it. If Gowon would say that after they have killed over 10 million, can't you be vigilant? Some of you are formidable. It is the money you get in IPOB that is making you formidable. It is the money you are stealing from IPOB, Biafrans across the globe. Genuine ones is what make you formidable. Come and labor, you will not be there. There are people using telescope and microscope to just watch genuine IPOB. Once you say, let's do this thing, it regard money, you will begin to hear, oh, they are starting us, they are eating our money, they want to kill us. But there are people who has not even labored. They are hiding from back door. They are raking millions from Biafrans because we want freedom. Can't you be vigilant? Now I understand why the Bible say, be vigilant. Because Satan is wandering like a roaring lion looking for who to devour. Be vigilant, be sober. This is the end time. It's online now. Shiite Muslim went to the National Assembly of the Almighty Nigeria. Short army. One of the armies on Facebook, they're crying, they don't shoot me, oh, they don't shoot me, oh, Nigerian, a whole Nigerian giant army, Almighty Nigerian army, he's shouting like a baby. Nga, 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 and some of you are pitying for him. But if it were to be IPOB, you will know Nigerian army are trained in Japan. They will give you chak and chan. Usha, here, ushi. You will know they shoot more than commando. You will hear kuku. You will hear jet bomber. Look at how they invaded our leader's house. They were with armored car, everything. Jet bomber was hovering everywhere. Just one man. Now, the same Alamajiri, I tell you before now, tie one of my hand with two of my leg. Give me only one. Bring 10 Nigerian soldiers. I will dismantle them. That is when I see people threatening me. They don't know what is coming for them. Let me remind you again. I wrestled for Nigeria. I represented Nigeria in wrestling for an all-African game. The whole of Africa, only one man beat me. And the man that beat me in my own KG is from Bayelsa State. They were born in former Bender State there. His name is Ebito Monuye. And if not that Ebito Monuye had a lot of advantage over me, I would have told you that I'm African champion when it comes to wrestling. I was forbidden from fighting because I was considered a dangerous weapon. But it's not about me. It's about every genuine Biafra. No Awusa man can beat any normal, healthy Biafra. It's impossible. But when they are killing IPOB, you begin to hear, they look like commando. Yeah, people are jumping, come and protest now. Where is IPOB protesting now? Oh, let them come now. They are only talking. Don't worry. Before we were blamed for not talking. Now we are talking. Very soon, you people will say they are not talking again. You begin to hear they are always shooting. Any small thing, they are always shooting. Because nobody have monopoly over violence. But we are peaceful people. IPOB have worked very hard to present the world that we are peaceful people. We are not here to undo anybody or conquer anybody. We just want our freedom. And if you go contrary, if you run contrary to the reason why we are here, may woe betide you. No, look at them. A whole hollow chamber of the National Assembly. You are hearing them. Oh, army man, all those giant army. Where is Brutal? The shame that is coming for all of you. Because any nation that hold Biafra down, they will be disgraced. They will be disgraced. They will be humiliated because kingdom come and kingdom fall. They rise and they fall. They have shoot them. It's Shiite Muslim now. But if it's IPOB, by now, no Biafran will sleep. That is when you will know that Nigerians have formidable soldier. Where is Brutal? Where was he? Mad people. Be vigilant. Don't let them deceive you. You have to be vigilant. Nothing more, nothing less. Be vigilant and understand that in the time we are in, first of all, IPOB stand between the living and the dead. If you conquer the living, the dead are waiting for you. Because you've not been there. You have not died before. So you don't know what they feel and what they are saying. Be vigilant. For we are heading home. No sentiment. In this very platform, in this effort to restore Biafra, there is no brother, there is no sister, there is no girlfriend, there is no lover, there is no enemy, there is only one agenda, Biafra restoration. And so anybody comes your way trying to deceive you, block them down. It doesn't matter. Don't belong to any gang. Belong to the gang of those who died sincerely for this struggle. The greatest betrayer to the generation of 1967 and 1970 was Fajuna. Ojukwu trusted him. Ojukwu loved him. People don't say anything about it. I read a lot of documentary program regarding Ifajuna. It was amazing and shocking to discover at the end of the day they were written by Yoruba. We are trying to undermine the person of Ojukwu. How Ojukwu killed his own brother. And most of you look at it very beautiful. But you can't read in between the line. Without apology, I swore to defend the truth. Say the truth in this struggle. Irrespective of anybody whose heart is God. Like I said, only two people have absolute say. And if they wake up today and say, IPOB go and rob, we will go and rob. IPOB go and smoke Igbo on social media, we will smoke Igbo. IPOB go and kill Hausa. If they give that order, you know how serious we are. Only two men. And that is our leader and our deputy leader. Our leader simply say, Biafra must be restored. Our people must come together. Nigeria will know no peace until we are free from this evil. And the second one, his deputy Uchemefo simply say, corruption that has corrupted everybody that associated with Nigeria will not come to this platform. Of course, we know how the enemy manifests. We know how they behave. When you touch them, touch their tail, they begin to say, hey. Just leave them 1 week, they have gone back. I will come for, understand, I'm not in Japan. No. I'm in Biafra land. No. I'm in Abo. I'm living close to Yorugodo. Those of you telling me that where Biafra come, this thing you are doing, you will not enter Igbo land. I'm preparing to pack to Imo State. Thunder fire all of Funa. I'm going to move into Imo State. But now I'm in Urugudu, I'm in Abo. I will serve blood everywhere. I will serve blood everywhere. Ojukwu loved Ifajuna. Where did Ojukwu and Ifajuna met? They met in London, where the evil leaders of Nigeria are manufactured. I think it was an Olympic game where Ifajuna actually would have been a great man, whose name would have been recorded in the sound of eternity, sound of history, because he was an unusual sportsman. Ojukwu was very happy to know that this is my brother, because then there was nothing like Enugu State or Anambra State. There was nothing like Ebonyi State, because all of them were one people. And so he's my brother. My brother. Because he did high jump, he did long jump, he did triple jump, and among other sports. In fact, in one of them, he was going to fly high jump. One of his canvas pulled out. People thought he would stop. For where? He was a genuine Biafran till he was compromised. But if you see otherwise, please give Ifajuna to your son. You will see the spirit of the dead they will make that child miserable, because what Ifajuna did to our people is unpardonable. Ojukwu fell in love. Ifajuna has done a lot of things. Ojukwu continue defending him as a younger brother. Continue protecting him. Until he abandoned Biafran soldier, his own settler, and went to sleep with Yoruba woman. These are some of the things we do not talk, but we know. He went to Ibadan, deserted his flank. But of course, there are always reasonable people on the watch. He said to themselves, if we don't see Ifajuna in 30 minutes, we need to abort. We need to dislodge. In 30 minutes, they didn't see Ifajuna. All of them fall back. From that falling back, Biafran ended up fighting a defensive war for the rest of the 3 years. Ifajuna. He was in Ibadan sleeping with Yoruba women. And then some years later, 2-3 years on, they asked him, go and cause internal crisis. He now came back. But there was a court waiting for him already. He was judged, tried, and found guilty. Ifajuna was actually under the court session of a military man known as Akpan. Or is it Effiong? No, it's Akpan. There is a military man by the name Akpan. He was in charge of the court that judged Ifajuna. And after which Ifajuna was executed around 4:35 p.m. And the moment Ifajuna was killed, there were internal resentment. Oh, they're killing our brother. Oh, they're killing our brother. Nobody's our brother. Only those who stand to defend the Biafran cause is my brother. Oh, they kill us. And then a lot of people opened the door. From the moment they killed Ifajuna, because of sentiment, Biafra land fell. The only reason why they were able to hold their land was because the Yoruba have not been able to discover the center of gravity. And when they found out it was Iguacha, people like Adakaburu were activated to undo the genuine Biafrans. But when you say it's a black man, thunder will fire all of you. I simply say something. IPOB have a structure. IPOB have a structure. Now let me digress a little bit. We'll talk about the China war. The China war. It could be among one of the 7 wonders of the ancient war. That war was built to defend the Korean nation from invaders of animals, from invaders of criminals. The war was unbelievable. It could only be compared with the war of Jericho. Who knows if they are the same thing but with different name. But let me tell you that even in 100 years, this so-called China war you hear of, China was invaded more than 5 times. It was not because the war is not thick enough. It was not because the enemy were able to breach the war. It was not because they were a weakened part of the war. No, because they were very ready. One day we'll discuss about the China war. But it is because there are corrupt people inside China. It is because there are compromised people inside China. And so why the war is still standing? That country was conquered more than 5 times within 100 years. You will not understand what I'm saying. As far as there is compromised people in our midst, no matter what we do, they will always weaken us. Today, most of you do not know why Korean nation are very strict when they carry out their discipline. Go and look at Korean nation, their politicians. You hardly hear them stealing, because that will be the end of them. There is existing law already. You catch you as a corrupt governor, go and hang yourself, or jump down from your story building. We will give you a honorable burial. You come and you are parabolating, we will get you, we will make sure that before we kill you, we will help you last for even 100 years of torture before we allow you to die. You're going to go and steal money. Look at all the criminals in Nigeria walking bold, growing bold, and living large. And you are calling them, hey, Baba, Oloye, Abba, Abagba. Compromised baboons and monkeys. Without discipline, without the machineries of discipline put in place, Africa is not going anywhere. Neither is Biafra going anywhere. Who disciplines us? What is discipline? Is discipline taking hammer and chisel to punish somebody? No. It is pointing them to the truth. Hey, come here, stop there, you stop there. What is wrong with you? Nothing, sir. Why did you pour this water away? It was a mistake, sir. How can you make such terrible and costly mistake? This is unbelievable. Kneel down there, you kneel down. But of course, it's a mistake. Discipline will make you understand that on the line of duty, you must not make any mistake. How will you understand? A man said that when he's fighting for the freedom of Africa, he fights with one hand. He said his reason is because it's not as if he cannot fight with 2 hands, because he used one hand trying to fight to defend, to stop Africa from killing him, while he's using the other hand to fight the enemy. I'm just speaking on parable. I will come in detail later on. We are here because Mazi Nnamdi Kanu said the truth. The truth that has eluded us over the year. The truth that nobody refused to tell us. And now all of us are following him. And while we are following him, why men sleep? Why some of you are speaking drama? The enemy came and sowed a seed of ties among us. And then some boys come out and tell you, oh, we are defense fund, we are defense fund. They have divided IPOB volunteer. In case you people do not know, the research in discipline developing in IPOB is because of these people. Is it Mama Africa they call them? Who are they? Who are coming to castigate? Who are coming to attack a generation who have suffered more unbelievable? Go and check your actions. Go and check what I have said. Who the hell are you to threaten me? I will come to Imo State, where you claim to come from. I will beat you down to submission. Because Hausa are doing that to you. I can give you the name of Hausa man that work with Roger Okorocha. He have the map of Imo in his palm. Come to Abo and mess up. You will know that no Hausa man rape Abo women and left with their prick. But is that what we are saying here? We are defense for, we are defense, but the real volunteer are dying and protecting our land. Some of them are sleeping on that bridge everywhere. They can't stay in their house. They can't stay in their house. As I say, hey, let's not divide ourselves. If unity with sabotage is what you are here to do, may I die before Biafra come. Thunder fire all of now. Ojukwu was busy pampering Ifajina. Oh, my brother, oh, one name, oh, one name. Konyebu one name. Jesus said, when I am hungry, you gave me to eat. When I was thirsty, you gave me to drink. Now enter into the home of my Father. Whatever you do to the least of my brothers, now you do unto me. Like I said, our time is fast spent already. I will stop it. Part 2 will continue. Ndera. We want our home back. We want our perfect home, not a compromise home. Go look at South Africa. Hey, no more apartheid. They are only economically free. Sorry, governmentally free. Economically, they are not free. We want absolute freedom. You can bring your hair for all you like. I do not think there is any greater honor than to die genuinely, choosing how we die, dying sincerely to defend this cause. Hey, we are formidable. We are now. How many Muslims have actually backslided that is alive? Awusa will not give you that privilege. You will know why they are humiliating your husband. The moment they put that cap of Satan of Sokoto in their head, they are hell bent to kill you. No repentance. Go and ask Awusa. You can't be a Muslim and you backslide and they leave you. You backslide. You didn't even run to America or China. You are in Imo State, a backslide Muslim, and some of you are believing the bunker. Don't worry. It's only 4 pictures. Their foundation is crumbling already. The next one I will bring, those of you who are yapping, those of you I have repaired for, who are attacking George Onibe for saying the truth, you will be the one who will go after this so-called your hopeless animals who are defending your land. Yeah, we are defending our land. Send us money. But all the ravages and all the atrocity in our, give me the name of one village where these people have defended. They smoke Igbo for, so IPOB they smoke Igbo now to defend their land. Oh, we are formidable, we are smoking Igbo. As you see, I went to police station one day. My eyes always red. Police people saw me and they say, see this man, oh, see this man, oh. All of them start looking at me. I didn't say anything because I was surprised. I went to bill somebody. And the other policeman said, what is it? He said, he don't smoke Igbo, he don't smoke Igbo. He said, why you talk so? He said, see, you? Because my eye, maybe since I was born, but since I get sense, my eye, they red like fire. Even they fear my wife at times. But if you give me, if I stay where they smoke Igbo now, I change them, go use carry me come out. My head, no, they carry up. No, be say I better pass people where they smoke. So I know they smoke Igbo. So because you feel the smoke Igbo, no make you anything. As I did like this, throw me inside a gallon of ogogoro, you know go catch me. So when I see people who drink ogogoro fall inside toilets, I go they wonder. Because throw me inside the ogogoro river, I drink all the whole river dry. You know they catch me. Alcohol don't move me. But if I stay where they smoke Igbo, you don't conquer me be that. And then when you come and you are speaking Igbo, you are nobody. You are deceiving yourself. We are going to defend our. When are you going to defend our land? You can't go to market. You can't go to farm. You are gingerly. You are formidable. Where is your formidable? Oh, our leader said anything you can do. Do it. Let Biafra come. Is it to begin to train mad people? What evidence of what you are doing? Aside yapping and smoking Igbo, and some people are coming here today. Hey, you know we cannot be divided. Instead of us to be united with terrorists. There is a song. Instead of our side to rule us. Obuna gowane gachwani kenunane nwoko. Instead of us to unite with saboteurs, let's destroy ourselves. Oh, let us be coalition of Niger Delta and Upland and the coastal region and Lower Niger. Let these people come on ground. Let us see them. Who are they? Who are they? Lower Niger, Upland Niger, Bottom Line Ranger, Ohanese Niger, BL Human Rights. Who are these people? Because I'm yet to see any of them. I'm broadcasting from Abo. I'm yet to see any of them. They are only on Facebook. Okay, they only exist on Facebook. And they say we have to unite. You have to unite. Atiku want to join IPOB. We will unite with Atiku so that we have Atiku Biafrans. And there are mad people. I will have to stop here so that our people can be able to come. But I will be back in a minute.
One time. IPOB. One family. One family. Yes, Tell your mama say, Biafra Biafra. Tell your papa say, Biafra Biafra. Papuari say, Biafra Biafra. One day Boko Haram, Biafra Biafra. Melu Biplo, Biafra Biafra. Aye no boy, Ubone Fefe, Ubona Lala, Ubona Gaga, no top, no Sule, Onye Tinyisi, Chukwa Kuko Kama, Ebere Nisi, Elano. I say, Onye Tinyisi, Chukwa Kuko Kama, Ebere Nisi. Yes,
at this moment our lines are open. Our WhatsApp line remains 070-815-45642. Our WhatsApp line remains 070-815-45642. Our direct line is 081-221-52971. Our direct line is 081-221-52971. Special number dedicated to the female is 081-288-58614. Special number for the female once again is 081-288-58614. I must tell you, for one reason or the other, I'm not sure of it, but we're having some challenges, I think, with our line. But while we are trying to restore this line, because if I notice it continue after now, I may have to change it. And I will be able to pick one or few calls. At least my private WhatsApp is on. You are free to call in for us to be able to ascertain what is actually going on. Our lines are open at this moment, and you are free to call in. Understand that the only reason why we are here is to ensure that Biafra is restored, that every one of us are going home. No matter what the enemy does, we are waiting for them. Caller on the line, your name and where are you calling from? Of course, we've lost that caller. Like I said, at least it's connected, but we shall know what the enemies are doing to that effect. If they have tampered with the line because they want to track their father. When people say, oh, Nigeria is tracking you, Nigeria is tracking you. How many years Nigeria cannot control traffic lights? Giant of Africa cannot manage traffic lights. And then you begin to wonder, how do they check them? No, how do they check them? How do they check them? You can't control traffic light and you are tracking somebody. May God have mercy upon us. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Caller on the line. Mwachineke gawaniru.
Mazoni bu dotuko tikati amaseleki neke. Beleki n'oge, beleki n'afọ, beleki na nkwọ. Bẹ́ẹ̀ mazi uche mefọ. Anụrụ n'abalị obi mara m mma nwoke ọma. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ezigbo ebe. Ewekwelele nwanne anyị nwoke asị from England kpọọ iwe biko o kwuru otu obi ya dị. Bẹ́ẹ̀ uche mefọ ihe nna ya dị. O wee ezigbo mma. O wee iri tụrụ Biafra. Kama ihe mere n'ụwa onye na-aghọtaghị adịghị aghọta ihe o mere eme. It's not disrespecting our DOS director. No. It is just saying the true fact because also knows the large back in black. And I give my Lord, my supreme Lord, the Lord I know in this world, no other person. But come on, also. When I what is the number? I want to walk to call. I think I don't know. There is a man that is what day. I bow down my head before you to receive your blessing. Because the very thing said those who are ordained and those who are destined to perform wonders, I will follow with you. Now let me present you to Chukwokikabiyama. That was the day I knew that you are the real servant of the Most High Chukwokikabiyama, because I have your blessing. Presented before Chukwokikabiyama upon me. Oh, dear friends all over the world, listen now. I am not giving a command, but I'm advising, please. We should focus on our leader, Nnamdi Kanu, our deputy, Uchemefo. Whatever they say, no matter whatever feelings you may have, we are under command and control. Before Nnamdi Kanu, this matter to this length, this Biafra a solution to this length. I will tell you, he has done the battle 95%. The remaining 5%. The remaining 5% is what you are battling now. And we should not underrate him.
Thank you very much.
Let us excite patient and wait. I'm a memory almost already, but let us just wait, excite patient and see.
Thank you.
And look upon him.
Thank you very much.
Last leader, this 30 days. This 30 days hanging. Please, the revelation I have is this. That 30 days hanging is a threat.
Thank you.
If every Biafran will agree with me, that's it's all right. It's all right, my brother. It's all right. Let that 30 days. If all Biafrans will agree with me, let us use that 30 days. That 30 days will end. Let us use it and sit at home all over Biafra and to go Nigeria.
Thank you. Your suggestions are noted, and we must continue.
Thank you so much.
Those of you on Facebook, if you see anybody on my Facebook platform talk about BMS, talk about any group, give them a HIV. Don't give them typhoid fever. The only thing we talk here are only three things: the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. The only three things that says final, Nnamdi Kanu, Uchemefo, or Biafra. Any outside talk here, give them HIV. Amadio had destroy all of you. Evil people, I'm coming for all of you. I didn't come to talk here about anybody. I said I release only 4 pictures of BMS or SSMS. Hopeless people, can't you accept your stupidity? Can't you accept your ignorance and your hopelessity and namadity? Nama, your namadity, can't you swallow it? Those of you on Facebook, if you see any animal there talking about BSS, who told you? Instead of me to unite with terrorists and evil people, hopeless criminals, let Biafra not come, turn that fire all of honor. BSS my foot. You cannot follow the simple discipline structure you can't follow. You are coming there to tell me you are who? Is it because you smoke Igbo on Facebook? Come to IPOB, let them frustrate you. Go and ask our volunteer what coordinators are doing to them. Coordinators are dommering them when you may not understand that English. But yet, all of us must follow it. Come to GOS and see how they are demoring me. But I'm not here to appeal to you or to explain to you. But we fight very hard to make sure the truth comes up. Those of you on Facebook platform who are possessed by the spirit of those who have died genuinely for us, who are possessed by the spirit of Biafran that cannot be conquered. You see any monkey and babu talking about anything outside Nnamdi Kanu, Uchemefo, and Biafra, delete them and give them gonorrhea. They are mad people. I'm coming for you people. Can you hear me? Call on WhatsApp. Call on WhatsApp. Are you still there?
Yeah, all hail Biafra.
All hail Biafra. Go ahead,
yes,
please.
I'm still here. Mercy, George Onyibe, God bless you. God bless our nation, our lovely country, Biafra. My name is Biafra Ifyong. I'm calling here from Canada, Vancouver, BC. I'm from Akwa Ibom, Biafra land. Mercy has been a while. Have not been be online because of kind of busy all these days, and thank God that I can be able to be online today. And I really appreciate you what you're doing for us. and what you're doing for Biafrans. So I'm overwhelmed every time I hear you talking, and I'm so overwhelmed. I'm so excited, and I want to use this this opportunity to thank our leaders, the supreme leader of indigenous people of Biafra, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, the man who got called to do this job, and his deputy, Uche Mefo. God bless all the principals, officers. God bless Biafra. And what is going on in the zoo is something that we cannot talk about that, and it can never happen. Land is not for Ruka, not for nonsense. If they have their Ruka, let them do it for their own side, not in Biafra land. We don't have land for any rubbish things. May thunder fire them. Ruka my food, Ruka my nyash, nonsense. Biafra land is not for nonsense. Biafra land is for good people, not for Ruka. The way they want to Islamatize the Biafra land has been rooming, which our leader said it long time ago, 2014, and people didn't take it serious. Now it's happening. So, Mazi, so much thank God for you, your life, and everything you have been doing for us. There is not easy. We know the effort you are putting in this struggle.
Thank you very much.
And God will continue to bless.
Thank you. Of course, the journey has just started.
Thank you, Mazi.
Thank you, Abarie.
Yes, Mazi.
Abarie Nwachineke. Without apology. The only reason we are here is that one man stood up and said, whether they like it or not, we must say the truth. And that is our supreme leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Everyone say it's a hate speech. It's a hate speech. He want to carry arm to defend Biafra. But then Nyan Wodo has asked them to defend themselves. With cutlass or with what? Okay, so you have joined the group of hate speech. And then there are another people going to the House of Assembly to shoot. It's not hate speech. The truth of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu cannot be compromised. As I'm talking now, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu say, George Onibe, you are stupid and you are hopeless. I will say, yes, sir. How dare you say the truth? I'm sorry, sir. Can't you begin to lie? As I will, sir. Because anything he say remain gospel. I'm asking me first stand up. I say, you are corrupt. I say, yes, sir. How are you so corrupt? I'm saying, I'm sorry, sir. Begin to be corrupt. I will say, yes, sir. Ndiara. Nafa Nayana wana monso seti ana. Nafa Biafra nafa Uche Mefo na nke Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Amen. Those of them on Facebook, you may not understand they are getting the message. Before when I come on people we can hear, I begin to speak Hausa and Yoruba. I ask you to give them typhoid fever. Only typhoid fever they are running. You see anybody mentioning BMSS here or any other security platform outside volunteer, give them gonorrhea and HIV so that we know urinate again. Bushmeat. Did I say bushmeat? Desert meat. We think we are here. I will get. Don't worry. 1 week later, I will show you something about your BMS you do not know. Maybe that time you'll be the one going to look for them where they are hiding in Imo State. Nigeria pay them money. They just come there, they smoke Igbo. We are formidable. We went to Islam so that we can come and destroy Nigeria. You have to be Islam so that you can destroy Nigeria. To be a Niger is the only way you can destroy Nigeria. All our politicians who have become Niger, what did they do for their village? Look at Abia State. The highest development I have known about Abia State is the uncompleted flyover in Osisioma. And I told somebody this flyover will never be completed. The next governor, if Biafra tarries, will destroy those pillars Okezie Ikpeazu have molded. Look at all the flyover in Rivers State. They are interlocking flyover. They will begin to collapse very soon. And then I begin to wonder, those who constructed Third Mainland Bridge, among other bridges in Lagos and Abuja, does it mean they cannot give room or allow good flyover? Or Setiana? I no come here, come patronize anybody. I will not patronize your stupidity. We are here to hold the line. We have been holding this line. When our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was in the prison, most of you joined Iwanya to run down the struggle. But on sin, we did what we can. Hey, they don't divide us. Who is dividing us? Instead of genuine Biafrans to divide with watered Yoruba Hausa blood in our midst, let this struggle end. But you know what? It will never end. Call our WhatsApp. Are you there, please? Are you there?
Yes, my brother, I'm here. Good morning, sir.
Good morning. How are you today? Go ahead, please. The word is listening. Try and be brief because our times are winding up.
I know I will be brief, my brother. My name is Anefi Okokun. My brother, I want to thank you first of all. You are doing very well.
Thank you. Don't too much. Just go ahead and hit the nail on the head.
Thank you, my brother. I will just speak my language more before I say what I think I want to say. And doc on the talk Mbo Yaira Keda. Kini again, Mba's a medium bomber, but I don't go say, Iraki now. Careful and Eddie Wong, Eddie Wong, I had the word away by Iraki now. Kerr boom, Kent Town, your Quaibum State. Iraki, that Coco Bagaron. Doron, at the Get, at the Bra, at the Ibesibo, at the Biono, at Dona. They got a Benny, Iraki, that need to go Ibum, careful and you. Iraki now. My brother, I just want to thank you. You know, all these people that are talking nonsense here and here. I saw that thing on net. When I saw it, I said, who are all these criminals? People should go ahead and say what
don't mind them. Don't mind them. They've redirected IPOB attention, fighting people with genuine reason to deceive us because they are smoking Igbo. I'm going to issue my own video online without violating any privacy. I go buy Igbo later on. I go come on Facebook, wear me kake, wear common flag, and then come and tell you, yes, you are formidable. Please send us 50,000. We are going to defend Aguneri, and then we will come and defend Mbitoru, and then we will defend Akwa Ibom. Mad people. Thank you very much, my brother. We must continue.
My brother.
I never come for them. The next one I will release without taking any permission. Don't worry. It will make Awusa know that they are not safe. Not in Biafra land. Buhari raping more women. Buhari raping more women and his flag. That is why they have so many hopeless people in Imo State without apology. But they are not talking about it. Buhari was in charge of Imo State. From Leumwa Udan to control, Buhari raped every woman that was raped. Buhari murdered every woman that was raped. No Imo person is coming to say this. But there are a lot of Imos like Roger Segura say, hey, it is our this thing, and it is our. I beg you. Yes, can you hear me? Call out WhatsApp.
Yeah, you must see Judge Onyebe.
Yes, go ahead. It looks like today is Akwa Ibom Radio Biafra. Is that what you people are telling me? The first caller was Biafra. Second one, Akwa Ibom Biafra. Third one, Akwa Ibom Biafra. And this is fourth one, Akwa Ibom Biafra. Are you people trying to Akwa Ibonize this platform this morning?
Let us Akwa Ibonize the Biafra now and this platform. Now we get out.
Akwa Ibonize it too. First man is Igbo man. I say they want to Ibonize the platform. Second one is Akwa Ibom. I keep quiet. Third one is Akwa Ibom. Now fourth one is Akwa Ibom. Do you want to Aquamanize this radio? Please,
let me give my people. The dog will messero the Baba Messier Afonian from Funami. Good morning, dear friends. Good morning, faithful IPOBs. Good morning, my Ebo leader Masi Nnamdi Kanu. Good morning, the only supreme deputy in the whole world, UTMF4. Please, I will be very fast. That thing in Osioma that you call flyover, that thing is not flyover, it's a center table. If you go there and look, you will see that it has no face. Nobody can call it flyover. So we don't talk about that thing again. It's abandoned property in Abia State. But one thing is certain, there was a church in Abia State that used that thing to do advertisement to Okesie for his second term. They call it the best flyover in Nigeria. I can't remember the name of that church. There was a church choir that used that thing to advertise for Okesie second term. This is why sometimes when we talk about Christianity, people start to jump up and down. Our people are very blind sometimes. But I don't come here because of that. My Ebo Judge Onyebe, please. I don't know why people are trying to distract this struggle. I don't know why people are trying to distract this struggle.
But I thank God for IPOB because we are too much formidable because of a formidable leader we have, Marty Nnamdi Kanu. Nnamdi Kanu say, you can do whatsoever you know that you will do for Biafra to come. That means go out. Yes. Thank you. Thank you. But since 2014, all of them that go out to do that thing, nobody have done anything since 2014 up till today.
Thank you.
I don't know when they will do that thing.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you. We'll come back again.
Of course. Since 2014, our leaders, anything you can do, let Biafra come. Do it. The only thing anybody have done to bring Biafra is to defraud our people that we are BSS, we are QQQ, we are we are defending Biafra, we are collecting money from our people. Give us the landmark of what you have been doing. I never come for now. I will elongate your suffering. Only for picture, you are running mad. Don't worry, I will bring your discussion with Osibanjo. I will play your discussion with Osibanjo very soon. Some animal will say, give us evidence, give us evidence. If you see my library of your useless information, even when you kill me, there are people that have been assigned to even control my social media without my presence. They will unleash this hell against all of you. Thunder fire you. Hey, let's not be divided. Who told you we are divided? Go and ask all those generated computer leaders of Biafra. Tell them to come to Biafra land. We are waiting for them. Somebody was talking about who called and said, you see, I'm calling from, I just came to Nigeria. Where did you enter from Nigeria? Did you not change your phone before you enter Nigeria? Did you enter from Cameroon or Ghana? Hopeless people. Come and stop in Nigerian airport and say I'm a Biafran. So you know how miserable they are going to make you. But are you not a Biafran in the end of the day? Okay. Unu ro na ibebe ni da pato de jonwa nyibu ale o menu no acho no sharp enyo no unu hu ejisho no apato makasa enyike domo no eremu nwem maka no talo kanshi. You can come in here to yap. You think we are here to yap? You think we are here to yap? Everything we have done to this very moment, only one thing saves us, and that is that at the end of the day, Biafra is restored. We have not done anything yet because the enemies are still working strong. We can never be distracted. Of course, you cannot. It's not being African rep that make me speak loud, though. I told somebody yesterday, I was in a meeting where they plan to beat Chidebere Onwudiwe, Bright Chimezie, and David Njoku to death. I was in a meeting in Port Harcourt. They made a plan that they will kill Chidebere Onwudiwe, Bright Chimezie, and David Njoku. These are supposedly IPOB members. And when I got the information, I went there. Over 300 people beat me up that very day. Those of you in Port Harcourt know the truth. I still have the video. I'll tell them a lie. It will not happen. But when I see most of those people, I put my life on the line to defend. Even gossiping against me. Based on hearsay, don't I go fire all of now. No worry. You won't kill George Onibe. Anama Jogodo. Adomere Wuna Yezure. I don't sign up. We go come back and address the stupidity of the saboteur. But anyway, get ready because Ruga must be recognized.